In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a subscribe form to your GoDaddy website. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your GoDaddy account. From there, open your GoDaddy website builder dashboard and select the website that you want to edit. This will take you to the management area for that site. Next, click Edit Website to launch the website editor. Once the editor opens, go to the page where you want the subscribe form to appear. You can add it to your home page or to any other page where it makes sense for visitors to sign up for updates. When you are on the correct page, look for the plus button that allows you to add a new section. Click that button to open the section library. In the menu that appears, find the category called Blog and Newsletter. This section includes layouts designed for collecting subscriber information directly on your website. After opening Blog and Newsletter, choose a newsletter sign-up or subscribe section layout that fits the style of your website. Once you find the design you want, add it to the page. The subscribe form will then appear inside your editor so you can customize it before publishing. Now edit the section to match your branding and message. You can change the heading to tell visitors what they are signing up for. You can update the description to explain the value of subscribing, such as receiving news, updates, or special offers. You can also change the button text so it matches the tone of your website. Depending on the layout you selected, you may also see additional settings that you can adjust. Review each option and make any changes you need. Once you are happy with the way the section looks, click Done to save your changes inside the editor. This confirms the updates you made to the subscribe form section. The final step is to click Publish. Publishing makes the subscribe form live on your website, so visitors can start using it right away. After the site updates, you can visit the page yourself to confirm that the form appears correctly and fits well with the rest of your content. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.